Good morning, everybody. It's May 2nd today. Got a steer thing to go to. I don't know what it's about. Probably just clean up my steer, giving him a bath. Something like that. Okay. Last night was fun. Yep.
Oh, you're so blotchy.
Becca hitting me. Look at the door. I found out that apparently I didn't have to go to the steer thing. It was optional. What? You coming? Ooh, back home. Fishing!
You haven't fed them all day.
Hi, Bergers. Check outside, guys. Ooh. Look at that downpour. Ooh. Let's go check it out. Ooh. Exciting. There was the sun over there. Oh, I want to run and play in it. Oh my god. Could do it. I think I'm gonna do it. Hold on. First, to play in the rain, you must have the right outfit. This won't do. Yeah, this will do, right? Let's go play in the rain. The rain died down a little, guys. It's not as rainy now. I still want to play in it though. Not as much. That's so cool. It's kind of cold. Ooh. Look at this sky. Some dark cloudage going on. Look at them clouds move over there. See them moving? Ooh. I'm gonna play in the water. Well, it's time to take care of this. All that on my bed. And clean it up. Ooh, my bed's cleaned up, guys. Check it out. Yep, that's what a bed looks like with dogs on it. They're like almost in the same spots they were before, weren't they? Could do a little magic trick there. Ooh. But I'm going to bed. It's nearly 10. It is 10 now. It just turned 10 o'clock. That's cool. But I've been going to bed around like in the AM times. So I'm gonna go to bed now. I'm really tired from all the AMs going to bed and the AMs getting up. So good night, guys.